Okay, welcome back to day 13 of the Daily Red Heart Patterns series. And today our patterns are all pillows. So some are for the living room, some are for the kids' room, some are just seasonal. Lots of different ideas here. So we're just going to jump in with this first one, which is a kids pattern. Or for the young at heart, this is the Red Heart Three Little Pigs pillow. And I actually tried to get this link a few times and the link was broken. So I just went right to the Yarnspirations website and pulled it from there. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. And just once again showing you that I do make sure that all of these links are in working order. Okay, so this is a really adorable idea. I love that it's got the four different panels. So we've got the three little pigs in their different houses. We've got the one of sticks and one of straw and one of bricks, of course. And over here we've got our funny little wolf. So this says, our chubby-cheeked bad wolf looks like he has the confidence and power to blow down shabbily constructed homes in the pigster neighborhood. So they're just really cute. Lots of just little embellishments that really, make this fun. This is listed as an easy level pattern. And of course, just like all of the other patterns in this series, it is free on the Yarnspirations website. Look at him looking all smug. Very cute. It looks like they do use some amigurumi eyes on Mr. Wolf. I didn't notice that with the pigs. Yeah, I guess they do with the pigs too. They're very cute. Really, really cute stuff. And this is available in a kit. Okay, let's move on to our next pillow. Okay, our next pillow is not anything like the first pillow. These are called the Log Cabin Variations pillow. So this is definitely a lot more subdued and definitely more living room or den looking. I do like the colors in these. I also love the center of these pillows. I'm just going to zoom in on it here a little bit. And you can kind of see this shell stitch around the square. And then after that, they have the different stripes that go around in that like log cabin style. I love the colors. I love the muted jewel tones to this. Really pretty. Love this a lot. Again, comes in a kit. You can buy the whole kit, or you could just buy the yarn, or you could, of course, just like any of these other products, you can, choose the colors to fit your own personal decor. But those are really, really pretty. Okay, our next pattern is another fun one. This is called the Red Heart Kittens and Puppies for Sale pillow. Okay, so the Red Heart Kittens and Puppies for Sale pillows are really funny. There's like a little joke involved, and I'm going to show you what that is in just a moment here. So this says, make a whimsical set of crochet pillows in Red Heart with Love. So you're using the Red Heart with Love pattern. I'm sorry, Red Heart with Love yarn. These are both listed as an easy skill level crochet pattern. You've got your cats here in the back, and the front pillow is of course the puppies. And wait till you see what the backs look like. Okay, so there's the cat one. There's the dog one. And on the back of the dog pillow, there's the cat. So it's like the dog is chasing the cat. And let me just scooch over to the one. Now, this is what's on the back of the cat pillow. It's a little mouse. So I thought that was really funny. I thought that was a really funny idea. Aren't those cute? I do notice that with a lot of these pillow patterns that they come in sets of two, which is nice. Okay, let's check out our next pattern. This is the Patriotic Pillow, and it is a free crochet pattern, just like all of the rest. I'm going to go ahead and open that up so we can take a closer look. Okay, so this pattern is listed as an intermediate crochet pattern. I'm not quite sure why, unless it's because you have to make the separate motifs, or if it's something more in the stitch pattern. It doesn't look that difficult, but there might be something I'm not sure of with this texture here. It's really cute though. That'd be really cute for like Labor Day, Memorial Day, of course Independence Day, any of those. This would be a really cute little pillow to, put outside on the porch maybe, or just in the living room. It says, give a cheer for the red, white, and blue with this patriotic pillow. So that's really cute. Like that a lot. Okay, let's move on. Oh, I really like this next one. I think this is a really cute little set. This is called the Red Heart Brighter Days Pillows. Okay, so this says modern day retro crochet pillows look great in these bright colors or any colors that will complement your room and express your personality. Use them on a chair, bed, sofa, or bench for great handcrafted style. So what I really like about these is the bright colors. I love the three-dimensional look of this flowered pillow, and I really love the cute pom-poms on the ends of the bolster pillow and in the middle of the flower pillow. These definitely have like a real retro vibe. I like them a lot so much. I just like these colors are just so late 60s, early 70s to me. I just really like them. Make me think of my childhood. Super cute. Love those. Okay, the next one is another cute one. So this is called the Red Heart Spring Has Sprung Pillow, and there is a lot going on here. I'm very curious what they're going to say for skill level for this one. Let's take a look. This is actually listed as easy for skill level. And yeah, most of these stitches aren't really difficult or anything like that. It's just a matter of, making the little motifs and adding them on, I think. So this says, every child knows that the first sight of robin redbreast and a crocus in bloom means that spring is here. This darling pillow is a part of a series of pillows for all 4 seasons. So I wish I had known that before. I would have gone through and checked for all of the seasons to see if I could find them all. I'll have to look into that. I love that there's the little robin on the back of the pillow. That's really adorable. Oh, and look at there's little eggs in the nest. This is just too cute. I love her little hat. All right, let's move on to our next pillow. Okay, this next one is really very pretty, very colorful, and it actually uses, I want to say, the same square type stitch that we saw in the log cabin one. It looks very similar with these shells going around the outside of the square. So I'm just going to go open this up, take a closer look. The Red Heart Striped Pillow Duo is considered an intermediate skill level project. So these crocheted accent pillows are the perfect room dressing. This pair features stripes of bright colors on a neutral gray background. And I think that gray really just makes these other colors pop, like all of them. They just look so much more vibrant against that gray background. I really like that a lot. It's really pretty. And I like how they're similar, but definitely not the same. So these ones have the diagonal stripes with these 2 triangles. And of course this one is almost like a mitered square. So this is really, really pretty. And of course, if those aren't your colors, you can always choose different colors. But I really like how that neutral gray just makes those other colors really stand out. So that's something to keep in mind if you were going to choose different colors. Okay, so we have one pattern left, and that is the Patched Persuasion Pillows. Not sure what they're persuading you to do, other than maybe lay your head down on them. Not sure. Okay, so the Red Heart Patched Persuasion Pillows. These colorful pillows look amazing, even though they are easy pattern stitches that any beginner crocheter can do. So they might look a little difficult with all this going on here, all these color changes and stuff, but it is listed as an easy skill level. And just look how pretty they look on that yellow chair, don't they? Let's take a closer look at each of them. Okay, so this one is the different squares, but when you look closely, you see that this square, and this square are the same. They're just different colors. And all four of these little squares, same thing. They're the same square, they're just different colors. And then you've got this one here. So there's actually only 3 different kinds of squares. And I believe that when I looked at the pattern, it looked to me like you do both sides of the pillow exactly the same. So you would make 2 of these, 6 of these, and 8 of these little ones, and piece them all together. And this one, I'm going to actually zoom in so you can see. It looks to me kind of like a linen stitch. Really simple. Nothing difficult there at all. Lots of color changes to weave in though. So that's something to think about. Yep, there we go. I really like how they look on this yellow chair. Okay, so that does it for day 13, Red Heart Pillow Patterns. Of course, there are lots more to choose from on yarnspirations.com. And if you are interested in any of these ideas, feel free to click the link below. It's going to take you directly to my Pinterest board of the 2023 Daily Red Heart Patterns, and just open up the pillows page and click on any of these pictures, and it's going to take you directly to that link just like you saw me do in the video. Please let me know what you think about this series. I've really enjoyed making it for you, and I hope you're enjoying watching it. And we'll see you tomorrow for day 14. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.